Aryan, am I audible to you? Aryan, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Very good. Yeah. Come to the part of what are the topics for your test, ma?
Ma'am, for the math exam.
Yeah, math exam.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just tell you one second.
Yeah, please let me know the topics better so that
Yeah.
most
The
priority.
chapters for mathematics are visualizing solid shapes, lines and angles,
Okay.
properties of triangles, rational
Okay.
numbers, algebraic expressions, and data handling. Six chapters in total.
Okay, right, better. We'll go with can we go with what are the topics most prioritized? The first one, can we go with visualizing the solid states? It's Ritika.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Come to part of visualization of solid shapes. Let me go with a few questions on the topic. No, yeah, okay. Uh, yeah. This first worksheet, you just go with the topic. Two cubes of dimensions 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Cube means what do you know about cube beta? Cube has length, breadth, and height become same. Are placed side by side. The length of resulting cuboid. Two cubes of dimensions. Each dimension is 2 centimeters. Length 2 centimeters width and 2 centimeters height are placed side by side. What is the length of resulting cuboid? You see, children, the cuboid placed side by side means how it is happening. What are the new, if two cuboids combined together, two cuboids combined together, we take two cuboids combined together. So let me go with the part of question here. What are the, okay, dimensions of cuboids are mentioned very clearly. What are the dimensions? What are the dimensions of cuboids mentioned here? So, one more cuboid. They are connected two cuboids together. What is happening if they are connecting two cuboids together? Its length is 2, this cuboid length is 2. That means a new cuboid formed here. It becomes, what it becomes? It becomes, the length is 4
4
centimeters.
centimeters.
And the breadth is also, breadth how much beta? Breadth and height won't change. Breadth remains the same and height also same height. Only length will be varied if you make side by side. Breadth and height won't change and only this is the resulting cuboid. Now they're asking to find
Ma'am, the length is 4 centimeters.
4
C.
centimeters. Option C, correct, Jessica, correct. And come to the question number second. Question number second. The vertical cut of a brick will show the cross section.
Is a rectangle.
Wonderful. If you go with a vertical block, absolutely it's a rectangle in shape. Because brick is in the shape of cuboid, the vertical section is also a rectangle.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next. Yes. Cuboid is an example of
A
2D
3D shape.
figure or 3D shape. Very good. And what one is a 3D shape?
Cube.
Which one of the
Cube.
following? Cube. Yeah, just to get children. Give a minute time. I'll back. Next question number. What is question number 3, beta? No, sorry. Question number 5.
A cuboid has dash rectangular faces.
How many rectangular faces
6.
the cuboid has? Is it
6.
6 or 6 or cuboid has how many rectangular faces? Cuboid has the 6 faces, we all know that. But particularly mentioned how many rectangular faces? Is it 4 or 6? Is it 4 or 6? Please think. Take your geometry box. How many faces? Yes, absolutely. It's 6, 6 rectangular faces. Next, come to the part of a cuboid has how many edges? Edges means if you take edges means the line segments which join the vertices. If you see in cuboid, either cube, both are almost the same. In cuboid, if you see how many edges, how you supposed to calculate beta? What are the edges you can see in the cube? On the top 4 vertices, On the bottom four vertices, so together 8 vertices. How many edges? Edges means, if you see, what is edges now? Aryan, what are edges here?
Edges are basically the lines that join one vertex to another. So there's 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges.
Very good. It's 12 edges. For both cube and cuboid has the same vertices and same edges, so please remember. And only the face part is in cube, it's a square, and in rectangle, in cuboid, rectangular faces. The answer is D. The number of faces of cylinder. Cylinder has how many faces? Cylinder, if you see the cylindrical shape, cylinder has how many faces? Yes,
Ma'am,
cylinder.
cylinder has 3 faces.
What are those? Two circular faces?
Ma'am, the
Is
2
it
flat faces on the top and bottom and 1 curved face.
very good? Together it is 3.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next, the number of faces of cube. Just now I said
6.
cube and
6, ma'am.
cuboid both are, yeah, it's number of faces of cube is 6. The number of faces of cone.
2.
Cone is
See,
cone
ma'am,
just
2. One, the curved face and the face on the bottom joins the curved
okay.
face.
Yeah, true. It's 2. Next, number of faces of sphere. Sphere. Sphere is you imagine the ball or globe or your football or whatever the ball you imagine. How many sphere has only
One face.
one
1 face. Only 1 curved face.
sphere? Yes, correct. Next, back to the question number 12. Number of vertices of cube. Just now vertices for cube and cuboid both are same beta. Vertices we calculate it's 8. Next, number of vertices of cone.
Ma'am, only 1.
Yes. The number of faces of triangular prism. Triangular prism has base as triangle shape. That's what named as the triangular prism.
Ma'am, it has 4 faces, I think.
Super. 4 faces. Down is triangle and remaining on the top 3 faces, which together are 4 faces. The number of faces of square pyramid. Square pyramid.
Pyramid is a pyramid with a base as a square. So it'll be 4 on the base, and then
Mhm.
1, 2, and 3. So 4 plus 3. No, none of these, I think.
No, you
Because it's
see,
7.
number of faces of square pyramid.
Ma'am, if there's 4
Hmm.
oh,
Base is
faces. Sorry,
square
I thought it
beta.
was edges.
Base,
Sorry. Faces
yeah,
is
base
1,
Ma'am,
2,
5.
5. Yeah, 5.
5 is the pattern. Now back to the question number 15.
Ma'am, it's
The
5.
number of, yes, go with the next worksheet very quickly, children. This is part of worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Then go with the next worksheet, second level. The number of faces of a triangular pyramid of tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. What is tetrahedron? Do you have in tetrahedrons with you, ma? I think you tetrahedron. What is meant by tetrahedron, children? Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, tetrahedron is basically a triangular pyramid with triangle as a base and with a pyramid. So the
Mhm.
number of faces on it would be 1, 2, 4, 4 faces.
Okay. Number of triangular faces for triangular prism. Prism. In our defense also sometimes we use this to commonly see this triangular prism.
Ma'am, triangular prism has two triangular faces.
Here the number of triangular faces, say triangular prism. Base is one triangle in shape. Only two.
Ma'am, 3,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's a 3 or 4. Triangular prism. 3 or 4. Base is one, and on the top different three. What is triangular prism? First of all, please let me know so that then only you will understood. What is triangular prism? Please, what is triangular prism? Triangular prism. What is triangular prism? Only 2 or 3? Please let me know. You told one. What is triangular prism? How many triangular prism? Please just let me know what is triangular prism. We commonly
Ma'am, I'm
see
not
this
sure.
in our text. Yeah, you just once let me check the triangular prism and let me know how many triangular faces. Please check and let me know. Go and search better. What is triangular prism? Immediately see the image and let me know so that you will understood what is triangular prism or else images of triangular prism. Now you please let me know how many number of
Ma'am, there's 2
triangle
triangles,
Ma'am,
right?
faces.
there's only two.
Yeah, only two. Who is correct? Yes, Rohika correct. Only two. What about similarly? Please check with the tetrahedron too. Check with the tetrahedron to see the image. Then only you will understand tetrahedron.
Ma'am, it's 4.
Yes. How it looks? Tetrahedron. It's a 3D shape. Yes.
Ma'am, it's like a pyramid with
Yes.
a triangular base.
Yes. Then now you please let me know how many the number of faces of triangular pyramid or tetrahedron. Triangular pyramid only we call it as tetrahedron. How many faces?
Ma'am, only
One
4, I
triangle.
think.
4. and all are triangles. Yeah. Now come back to question number 3. The number of rectangular faces of triangular prism.
Ma'am, 3.
Just before you saw, is it 3 or 2?
Ma'am, 3.
You once again check a triangular prism.
Ma'am, I'm pretty sure there's only 3 rectangular faces.
Because you just once again see the number of rectangular faces of a triangular prism. Please once again check the figure, then you will understood. Yes, I'll accept with you, I'll agree with you. Just look the image. 3 only. Look the image. Triangular prism, not a triangular, rectangular pyramid. Number of triangular faces in rectangular pyramid. How many, ma? Did you check with what is the rectangular pyramid? Please see the image. Please see the image of rectangular pyramid.
Ma'am, there's 4 triangular faces on a rectangular pyramid.
There are how many?
4.
4 triangle. Yes. 4 triangular faces. And one base face is, what is the base face?
The base face is the rectangle.
That's what please look at your question number. Next. The number.
Ma'am, and for question number 5, the answer is 1.
Yes. The number of rectangular faces are the same just before we checked, it's 1.
Only 1.
Yeah, the number of edges of a triangular prism. Edges better. Here you go with edges. Edges, how many edges are there? Triangular prism. Let's see the image, then only will understand. Triangular.
Ma'am, 9 edges.
Yes. How many edges you have? On
9.
the top one, left and left 3 and the right 3. 3 plus 3 6. Bottom plus 7 8 9. Correct. 9. Next. The number of edges of square pyramid. Each time please look and try to remember the image, children. Square pyramid. Please check square pyramid. See the image once. Number of edges of square pyramid.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Very good. 8 edges. Next. The number of edges of triangular pyramid. Square pyramid is 8. In triangular pyramid, that's what this visualization of solid shapes need to be little images. You please remember. How many?
Ma'am, a triangular pyramid has 6.
6. Why? Because the triangle shape, so both the sides. 2, you just minus 2, then you will get the 6, right? Next, the number of edges of a rectangular pyramid. Number
Ma'am,
of
8.
edges of it.
8.
8. Correct.
8.
Wonderful, wonderful. Next, number of faces of a triangular face. Faces. Faces means you just number of faces of a triangular prism.
In a triangular prism, number of faces or
Aryan. Yes,
ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ma'am, 5.
5. Faces, only faces 5. Next, the number of faces of a triangular pyramid. Pyramid, it's not prism, pyramid. The number of faces of a triangular pyramid. Is it 4 or 5? Pyramid. Faces.
Ma'am, 4.
Very good. It's
4,
4.
ma'am.
The number of faces of square pyramid.
5, ma'am.
5.
Number of faces of rectangular prism. Once again, it's a prism. It's a prism. Rectangular prism. Faces of rectangular prism.
Ma'am, 5.
5. Rectangular prism. The corners of solid shapes are called. Corners, we call it as corner, means that point.
Vertices.
So what corners are nothing but vertices. That line joining the line joining the vertices to another vertices is nothing but
Edges.
yes. The entire face, the faces, how many faces you have in a solid? The solid depends on cube. So void is same faces, which are how many? 6, right? Yeah. Next. Dash is a skeleton. Skeleton or skeleton
Ma'am, a
outline of
net.
a sock. Net. You know, there are beautiful nets you can try and consider. Whenever you are
Yes,
free,
ma'am.
you just go with try the nets using graph book, or else you can try with that and cut it and try to do that part so that visually you can see that practically on your hands-on experiments you can do so you can remember long. What will be the number of faces if there are 6 vertices and there is an interesting formula to solve this. Euler is a famous mathematician. He derived the formula, Euler's formula. What is that Euler's formula? What will be if you know faces or vertices or edges? These are the faces, vertices, edges. If you know any two of these, we can easily calculate unknown part, children, using Euler's formula. What is that Euler's formula is very important. Before going to Euler's formula, you just see, children. I think you are able to see my screen, right? Yes or no? Then you are able to see
We're able
Euler's
to see a
formula.
screen.
Yeah, you are able to see Euler's formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, according to Euler's formula, faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to always 2 beta. Faces plus vertices, F plus V equal to 2 plus E you can do, or else faces plus vertices together, edges plus 2. Always any solid it is true. You just go with a cuboid, there is a example. Or else we will go with our first question. What is the question 1 in our part? What is our first question? Question 1 is what will be number of faces? You need to find the F value. If there are 6 vertices and 12 edges, vertices plus faces together, edges plus 2 beta. Here, what will be number of faces? What is the Euler formula? F plus V minus E is equal to 2. What is F? Faces. Plus V is same as vertices. Minus E edges is equal to 2. Suppose if you don't know faces, you take as X, and vertices F plus V. Now use the formula. You can use this formula. Please remember, this will help you many years children, because we are using not only class 6, class 7, we are using further senior classes too. Based on this, in 10th class also you are going to get one more question. Vertices plus edges. No, vertices plus faces is equal to E plus 2. This is it. So if you want vertices, what you're supposed to do? Edge plus 2 minus face. What is the edge? How many edges you have here? Oh no, you have vertices also. You need to find out face, number of faces. Okay. Sorry. So you can rearrange. You need to find vertices we know. You need to find out we don't know this question mark. You know edges, so please substitute 6 plus we don't know, this is unknown. Edges are 12, first question mark, and plus 2. So 6 plus what number makes you 14? So 6 plus what number makes you 14? 6 plus
8.
what number makes 8? So 8, 8, 8
Yes, ma'am.
faces, 8 faces. Maybe it's a cube or cuboid. Sometimes when I ask you the solid also, maybe it's cube or cuboid. What will be the number of edges? Go with the same question, Euler's formula, use the Euler's formula. What is according to Euler's formula? What do you know? V plus F is equal to E plus 2, where V is vertices, F is faces, E is edges. We know this relation, go with the substitute. What will be the number of edges? We don't know E value here. Question number 2. What is unknown part? Edges is unknown part. What will be the number of edges if 12
You have to
vertices
calculate
and
this based on the Euler's formula, right?
yeah, you can go with Euler's formula. F plus faces plus vertices is equal to edges minus 2. We don't know edges. This is 2,
Ma'am,
23, 2.
so this is 32 minus 2 is equals to edges.
Edges is ultimately
30.
34. 34. 4 minus 2, if you go to 32 minus 34 minus 2 only gives 32, right beta? If you go with the equality, when what value you supposed to substitute in place of E? If you subtract 2 from 34 only, you will get 32. So what is the option correct here? Option, we
Ma'am, there
doesn't
is
have
no
any.
34.
What is the number of edges? If there are 12 vertices, 12 only I substitute, and 20 faces. 20 plus 12 is 32. E plus 2, right beta? E plus 2 or minus 2? What is Euler's formula? Hello? Euler's formula is plus, that's what it is, 30. Yes, you are absolutely correct beta. 30. Yes. Which is option is? Please remember the formula. Once again, we will repeat Euler's formula. What is Euler's formula, children? Vertices, vertices
Vertices
plus
plus faces
is
is equals
equal
to edges plus 2.
to plus 2. Or this you can rewrite. Sometimes this they give different varieties, no children. So what they may give, if you want vertices, E plus 2 minus faces, or if you want faces, E minus V plus 2. Any question, but only the base formula is, you just remember one of the formula. From this unknown part you can calculate. Vertices plus faces is equal to edges plus 2. That's you remember. That's enough, children, for you. No need to remember all the formulas. From base formula, you can derive easily. Next question, question number. Name the solid below the left figure. Name the solid. What is this solid name, children? Yes. What is the
Ma'am,
name?
that's a cylinder.
Solid. What is this?
That's a cuboid.
Cuboid. Yes. Name the solid in the given in the above sided right figure. Okay, right already we done. And name the solid given in below left
Sphere.
figure. This,
The cone.
yeah, cone. Now come to the part of question number 8. It's left.
That's a cube and that's a triangular pyramid.
Cube or cuboid? Please. Cube or cuboid? Eighth one, please let me know whether it's a cube or cuboid. Is it all faces are square or only few faces are
Ma'am, it's
square?
a cube.
Next, what is the next question number? Right side figure, eighth one, right side.
Ma'am, that's a pyramid. Square shape, like a square based pyramid.
It's a square base or triangular base?
That's a triangular pyramid.
Yeah, it's a triangular pyramid. Next, go with question number 10. Name the solid whose net diagram is given here. This is, and what is this? This is either, so all are
Ma'am,
square
that's
base.
a cube, the first one, and
Yes,
then the second one is a square pyramid.
it's square pyramid. Next question number,
We're already done with that.
yeah, 12th question. 12th question. What is question 12? The net of left is,
Cone
right is,
and cylinder.
next. Two dice are placed side by side. Okay. Next, 5 plus 6. What is the total on the face opposite to the given number? Two dice are placed side by side. How dice, you can play this directly. Two dice are placed side by side with 5 and 6. What is the total on the face opposite to the given numbers? You have dice, you can see and do this 14th, 15th questions again. Sometimes it's possibly, what is that? Cube has all faces equal. The number 5 and 6, 6 opposite is 1. Is it 1 better? 1 opposite is 6. 5 opposite is 2. Opposite to 5. You have dice, please. You just see opposite side of 5 number and opposite side of 6 number. And then you combine and give it. Similarly, 15th question also. Let's go to the question number, worksheet number. It is simple matching. Already we did this. You know this part, and this also we done.
I don't think this will come because like drawing will be a bit hard.
Okay. So then we will go with the complex questions only later. Actually, visualization of solid figures. Euler's formula is important bit, and surely they will test one or two bits on Euler's formula. Why? Because Euler's formula, they may give either vertices or edges. You need to calculate the phase. Any two among three, vertices, faces, edges. Any two they will give, and you need to calculate. Surely you will get 1 mark in that. Where you, what is the formula you need to remember for that? V plus F. F is nothing but faces. V plus F is equal to E plus 2. E is nothing but edges plus 2. That's based on that formula. You may remember one question. And you see if there is any other complex questions, we will go with that. This is all remaining, all questions are based on dice only in this worksheet. So 3 questions. Section. Yeah, you just see the question number 4. Question number 4 in this. What cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut off brick? Already we did this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What
It's a
is the
rectangle.
rectangle? What cross section do you get when you vertical cut off a round apple?
A circle.
Vertical cut off round apple is circle. Wonderful. Next, what do you cross section you will get vertical cut off die?
Ma'am, a square.
Very good, it's a square. What is the cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut off a circular pie?
Circle.
Circular pie, vertical.
Ma'am, we'll get
Ma'am, I think a rectangle.
ma'am, it won't be rectangle because like it's curved, right? So how will it be a rectangle?
No, it's
It will
not
come as a
rectangle.
semicircle.
Semicircle,
Yeah,
but they did not give option here with us.
Ma'am, but it comes as a semicircle.
Yeah, correct
because
only.
you're cutting the
But they did
circular
not give.
pipe in half, right?
Mm,
Vertically.
yes, that's what semicircle. Next, what cross section do you get when you give vertical cut to an ice cream cone? Vertical, not horizontal, vertical.
Ma'am, it's a shape close to a triangle.
Very good. It's closer to triangle. Why? Because almost closer to triangle only. Next, what cross section do you get when given horizontal cut to the brick? It's not vertical cut, it's a horizontal cut to the brick.
Ma'am, it's based on how the brick is. A horizontal cut will give a rectangle.
Yeah, that's what. Either vertical cut or a horizontal cut, both will get a rectangle
Yeah.
only. What cross section do you get when horizontal cut off round apple? Horizontal cut off round. It's horizontal, it's not vertical. Is it the same question we got previous? No? Second question, there is a question we done somewhere here. Not vertical cut. It's a horizontal cut. Circle or what? Circle? Close to
Ma'am, to a
circle.
round apple. To round apple.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, we'll get a circle.
Circle. What cross section do you get when you give horizontal cut to a circular pie?
Ma'am, we already did this.
Yeah. What cross section? Maybe a few questions are repeated now. That's what. What cross section do you get when horizontal cut to a circular one? What cross section do you get when given horizontal cut to an ice cream cone? That's also done. The cross section you get when horizontal cut to circular ball.
Ma'am, circle.
Yeah. What cross section do you get when vertical cut to a cylindrical base? Cylindrical base. Cross section of vertical cross section to cylindrical base.
Circle.
Cylindrical base. No, you just once again think it's a vertical cut, not
So it's
horizontal
a
line.
shape
It's a
close to
vertical
a rectangle.
rectangle. Rectangle is the correct answer. Yeah, these are the possible questions. This type of questions generally you may get in that examination. And the Euler's formula. These two are important, children. And not only this type of questions, when two cubes are joined together, the length or else what is the volume of the figure, or else which whether length is vary or height is vary or width is vary, they give that based on the question whether it is placed side by side, whether it is placed whatever cube on cube, that depends on the question. Please see that. And this type of examples also generally will get what is that if you see the question 15, for the given solid, draw the top views and front views and side views. So how you supposed to see from top view? What is the front view? What is the side view? So front view appears as once again which solid? You see the front view appears once again which solid? No, it's a which it's a not solid. What is the shape? What is the polygon you can
Ma'am,
see?
and what question?
Question number 15. What is the front shape appears when you what is the front view when you see the front view of the
Ma'am, it's
question
like a
15?
triangle stacked on top of a square.
That is any particular name to that polygon?
No, I don't think so.
That can we think as a five-sided polygon that? Yes. Is it five-sided polygon? If you see the front face, how many sides are there? Is it a five-sided polygon? I can see pentagon here. Yes or no? What is the side view? Side view, they mentioned very clearly in the hut also. Side view is what is the shape obtained when you are seeing the side view? The
Ma'am, a
rectangle.
rectangle.
Yeah, top view. Top view. Top view. That's the question.
Ma'am, like somehow close to a square or a rectangle.
You can see that the image and write what are the questions are given in the visualization. Most probably in triangles you may face difficulties. Children, triangles it's very easy only, not too hard. And congruency criteria we already discussed in the class. If you have any queries, you just ask me so that we can discuss. And the lines and angles is fingertips. You can say what are the lines, what are different types of lines, parallel lines, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines. What is the difference between parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines? Not only this, what type of angles are formed when you two parallel lines or else two lines cut by a transversal. These are the different. If lines are parallel cut by a transversal, few angles are
Excuse
equal.
me,
What are
ma'am.
those? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a class at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, I'll just leave it. I'm reading right now. Next class only we will angles or lines and angles we will discuss. That's all for the day, ma'am. Jessica, can we end? Yes, you can leave it.